In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage interaction limits on GitHub. Whether you're managing a project or maintaining a repository on GitHub, it's crucial to understand how to control who can interact with your content. Setting interaction limits can help you maintain a healthy and constructive collaboration environment by temporarily restricting who can take part in conversations. Let's get started by heading over to your GitHub dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this list, you'll want to select Settings. It's one of the key areas where you can customize and manage your GitHub experience. After you're in the Settings menu, focus your attention on the left sidebar. You'll see various options, but what you need to find is Moderation. Clicking on Moderation will further expand that section. Within this expanded menu, keep an eye out for interaction limits. Selecting this option will take you to the area where you can fine-tune the interaction controls for your repositories. Once you're on the Interaction Limits page, you'll see a few options for setting boundaries on who can engage with your repository. One of your choices is to restrict interactions to existing users. This option is quite handy if you want to make sure that only those who've been active on GitHub are able to contribute to the discussions. Another option is to limit interactions to prior contributors. This setting ensures that only individuals who have previously contributed to the repository can comment or participate. It's a great way to maintain a focused, collaborative environment with those who have already shown some degree of commitment to your project. The last option allows you to limit interactions to repository collaborators. By enabling this, interactions can only be made by those who are directly working on the project. This is particularly useful for keeping the conversation targeted among your development team. For each of these options, all you need to do is click the button on the right side of the screen to enable them. GitHub offers flexibility with these settings, allowing you to choose a duration for the limits. You can opt for durations ranging from 24 hours, 3 days, 1 week, up to 1 month, or even 6 months, depending on your project's needs. Hopefully, this walkthrough makes the process of setting interaction limits a clear-cut task for you. This control can be a valuable tool in managing your project's discussions, ensuring that they remain productive and on topic. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out